Hey guys, welcome to question FM129 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Estie's starting salary at a new job is $78,000 per annum. After her first year, Estie's salary will increase by 2.5%. The following year, Estie's salary will increase 2.7%. After this second increase, Estie's annual salary will be closest to what? Now, I'm going to run you guys through the breakdown way of completing this question, and I'm also going to show you a bit more of a fast track way of completing a question like this. Now, a question like this might not pop up on your exams per se, but it is really handy to know how a question like this works in terms of being able to answer questions to do with compound interest, just understanding those recurrence relations and how those equations are actually working in the first place. So, jumping straight into it, if we have a starting salary of $78,000 and we want to increase that amount by 2.5%, this is once again a skill that you guys should make sure that you get on top of. We want to times that by 1.025. The 1 is going to keep, when we times by 1, that's going to keep our $78,000 in the mix. So it says that 1 saying keep the $78,000 that you already have. And then this 0.025 is saying, and increase it by 2.5%. That's how this timesing by 1.025 is an increase of 2.5%, as opposed to timesing it by 0.025 would just find that 2.5% and then you'd have to add it on. So a little bit faster doing it this way. If you plug that into a calculator, you get an answer of $79,950. So that would be her salary after the 2.5% increase. So we can take this amount now, that's $79,950, and say we want to increase that by 2.7%. Plugging that into a calculator is going to give you 82,108.65. So that is going to be your answer. So of course, looking at answers, the closest one is the 82,109, option E, which of course is your final answer for that. Now, I also want to show you just a way that you could quickly jump to that final answer without having to break it up into 2 steps. If you were to take your 78,000 times 1.025, that's going to create your 79,950, which gets dropped down here, and then rather than breaking it down to 2 steps, what you can actually do is just go straight ahead and times that amount by 1.027. That's going to take you straight to the answer that you got before. So a little bit of a time saver, nothing major there, but definitely shows more of an in-depth knowledge of how these numbers are working with each other and gives you a little bit to play with. So guys, if you have any questions about how I came to this answer, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.